If you've been hurt in a collision, make the right decision. You need a top quality attorney, not a loud, obnoxious TV lawyer. Lawyers with their tough guy commercials miss the point. When it comes to personal injury, it should be about the honesty, dedication, and the results you deserve. For a free legal consultation to evaluate the potential value of your case, call Auto Accident Help Desk. We're open 24/7 and can answer all of your questions at no cost, no obligation. Motor vehicle accident victims with attorneys receive 3.5 times the settlements of victims with no attorney. When you call, our friendly agents will answer all of your questions and get you connected with a cream of the crop personal injury attorney in your location. We're nationwide and always open. Call 800-636-8833, 800-636-8833.